database services team will contribute to the vision of creating lifetime customer relationship is by continuing to provide companies with all of their database needs. Databases are crucial for any organization's overall success, and thousands of companies depend on accurate recording, updating, and tracking of their data. Although DBMS solutions like Oracle and Microsoft SQL Server can facilitate database management to a great extent, it still needs continuous human intervention, and while system administrators can in most cases take care of the databases, there are a lot of times when specialists are needed, and that is where the database administrators come in. With ESDS's database support and services, we become our client's DBA team and assume complete responsibility for the functionality, security, availability, and performance of their database environment.
Whenever I go to a customer, I make sure that I am a part of their team. I am there to support them and make them better DBAs. ESDS wants to pull them out from their daily monotonous work so they can do more progressive thinking on how to enhance their business and make them environment better, improving their skill rather than just do a day-to-day work which them tired of or which bogs them down to being a better DBA. Our DBAs support for Microsoft SQL Server, Oracle, MySQL, DB2, Progress SQL, and MongoDB. Nothing is outsourced. All our DBAs work from our global Operations Center in Nashik, and we provide a remote database support services across India, UK, and US.
The size of the customer doesn't really matter at ESDS. It's really about making sure we have the right resources for doing the job. I think the reason why clients stay with ESDS is the size of the resources we have. We are an Uptime Institute certified 3-tier data center. We are ISO certified company. We have PCI DSS compliant cloud infrastructure. We are CMMI level 3 certified. We are SAP certified for cloud and hosting services, and we have an ongoing partnership with organizations like Microsoft and Oracle. So with all these certifications and compliances, I think it's easier for clients to confidently push work off to us so that they can take time off and go on vacations knowing that their data and databases are in safe hands.
I think the reason why clients choose ESDS for their database needs is because we are a delivering model. We have true 24/7 delivering model. We run our 4 shifts every day, 365 days a year, and have 24/7 coverage. We have very detailed process of shift handover and overlap, plus there is a great collaboration between DBAs and other team members. So everyone is always in touch with each other, whether it's through MIRC, Skype, or through emails, or sometimes phone call also. There is a never single DBA who knows everything about environment. So it's nice to be able to pull subject matter experts, whether it be issue like monitoring or performance tuning, which requires skill sets.
We are very flexible in our model. We are able to adjust to clients' needs and are able to support their databases day and night. When we take on a client, we sometimes go to client side. We have our checklist. We ask questions to see how everything works there. We look at monitoring, we look at backups, we look at what the processes are. We ask what major problems they have faced. Are they up to date on the patches? Are they up to date on the softwares? And really get to know them and introduce them to our processes. We work in parallel and slowly phase out things which are not working and phase those that are working, and there is a constant communication between us and the customer. Our support team is very efficient that our clients, all they have to do is simply shoot us an email and ticket gets generated, and within 15 minutes they will get a response guaranteed regardless of whether I am in the office or not.
There are quite few trends in database world now, and one of them is MongoDB, which is trying to show up more and more, and a lot of our customers look to that for quicker retrieval of their data. So we closely work with our customers to ensure they are kind of headed down the right path and ensure that that's the right thing for them. Also, another trend we are seeing with our customer is that they are getting audited quite frequently. They are audited from companies like PCI and other auditing organizations, and they need a lot of information about database and about the who access and so on. So we do help our customer quite a bit in that area.
I think for our potential clients, the best thing about ESDS's database services is that you're not just hiring one DBA, you're hiring a whole team of DBAs and with various levels of experience and expertise on different database platforms. Our clients not only get the expert DBA support, but they also benefit from collective knowledge of the entire team. They receive customized service level agreements, a robust monitoring system, and a 24/7 help desk. Our consistent and flexible approach to database management leads to lower DBA cost, better database performance, higher database availability, and lasting customer satisfaction. And I think that's what is at the crux of ensuring the vision of creating lifetime customer relationships.